Hey there, I'm Dr. Rodney White with Sapi Chiropractic, and today I'm joined by Shawn, Benge, State Farm insurance agent and all-around guru. And you'll see a series of videos here that we're doing. Today, Shawn's actually going to introduce what a Medpay is, why you need it, and why it's important to anyone who potentially gets injured in a car accident and might end up in a chiropractor's office. So Shawn, over to you.
Thanks, Dr. White. So a Medpay is a piece of your car insurance. And what a Medpay is meant to do is, in the event of an accident, whether there's bodily injury inside your vehicle, your insurance company is going to cover not only yourself, but any passengers for the amount of your medical payments coverage. So let's say I have a $5,000 Medpay, and I have me and Dr. White driving in the vehicle. We're in an accident, both of us are injured. What that Medpay is going to do, it's going to pay the first $5,000 of any injuries I sustain, any medical bills, and then also would pay $5,000 for any of his bills as well. So.
And Shawn, I'll ask a question there. So does a Medpay come automatic with every insurance policy in the state of Nebraska?
No, it doesn't. It's something that you have to have on your policy. So you have to add it if you're doing insurance on your own. You have to add it. Many times if you have an agent, it would be recommended as part of the total package.
So you do recommend it?
Absolutely.
Okay. So for any viewers out there who don't currently have a Medpay, what would your advice be?
I would recommend that call your insurance company right away and get that added to your policies.
Okay, so then if someone is in an accident, let's say tomorrow, Bob is driving down the street, gets rear-ended, whether it's his fault or not, he comes to my office with whiplash injuries, headaches, neck pain. We normally then tell the patient, okay, you need to open a Medpay account. A lot of people don't even know what that entails. So what should Bob do when he's in that accident? Right,
so right away, he can call his insurance company, he can file a claim. He can file a claim for just the Medpay portion. So if someone else actually hit him and he feels the other company is at fault, he can still file a Medpay claim with his company, because his company is going to pay those bills from the physicians, the doctors, the chiropractors right away.
So the Medpay then essentially, if I'm understanding correctly, takes out the insuree, or Bob in that example is the middleman.
Yes.
So then Bob comes to us, we send the bills straight to his claims adjuster.
Yes.
And Bob doesn't have to do anything else about it.
Yep, that's right. So you don't have to wait for the other insurance company to pay any claims out. Your insurance company is going to pay those right away. The physician's chiropractic office, they can bill directly to your insurance company.
Whether you're at fault or not, Medpay works the same way?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. So if you open a Medpay claim, my last question, does it affect your premiums or not necessarily?
It's not something that would affect your premium necessarily. There's a lot of factors to go into that, but there's no surcharge. There's nothing at fault in a Medpay. So
great, because we often have people worried about that when we suggest opening a Medpay. Their first fear is, will this bump my premium up?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Well, thanks for your time today, Shawn. Next week, we're going to talk about what happens if you don't have a Medpay or if your Medpay runs out, and some other things that you might not know are covered when you're actually in a car accident. So if you know anyone who might benefit from this, if you've got friends or family who have been in an accident, please share this video. And if you have any insurance questions at all, we'll put Shawn's details at the bottom of this in the comments section. I think it'd be well worth you guys reaching out to him. He's been a phenomenal insurance agent for us, and we highly recommend him. We'll see you next time.